In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide a reel from your Instagram profile grid, and then also I'm going to show you how you can easily get it back. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to head over to Instagram app. Just open up Instagram app, then tap right here to go to your Instagram profile, and then scroll all the way down until at your profile grid you will find a reel that you want to hide. Once you find that reel, tap on it to open it up. Then tap right here at three dots, and that's where we can easily find remove from profile grid. If we tap on it, that reel will be immediately removed from our profile grid. As you can see now, that reel is no longer shown here. However, it is not actually deleted. We can easily find it, and in any time we can get it back. To do so, right from our profile picture, we need to tap at that reel icon to go to Reels tab. That's where we can easily find all our reels that we uploaded on Instagram. And from here, we can open up a reel that we want to unhide or place back to our Instagram profile grid. And in the similar way, we need to tap at three dots, then manage, and then add to profile grid. It will be immediately added to your profile grid, and we can easily check that. If we head over to our profile grid, we can now easily find that reel here. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.